Hey, if you are looking for a great budget-friendly end table or nightstand, this will do great for either, especially if you have a smaller space, apartment, or small home. I really love this mid-century modern style. And it looks great. It's nice, sleek design. Comes in a couple different finishes. This is the walnut finish. It really only takes probably about 10 to 15 minutes to put together. And when you get it, so if shipping is an issue too, you don't want to ship big, large things, this comes in just a very small box, as big as the box is the legs length here. So as you can see, you just screw these legs on here. This is how it looks on the underside. And then these pieces here, so it's got the nice table on the side, and then it's got this great opening so you can store things inside here. And I'm just going to bring this up a little closer to show what it looks like on the inside. So you can see those little slats, and that is what allows the wood to curve along the rails. So you just want to make sure that when you are putting it together, that's the one thing that I'll caution, that these fit in nicely into the grooves before you screw it together, because they have to fit on the guide rails here so that it will easily open and close. But it is a great, beautifully finished, and it looks stunning. Nice finish. Just it looks like a really expensive piece, and it really does not cost that much. So highly recommend it if you have a small space and you like that mid-century modern style. Highly recommend trying these out. And there is a matching coffee table to this as well, so you can get all your pieces to match, and they are really, really economical. So highly recommend it.